Hi everybody, welcome back to BubblePOP Kids. Well, here we go. We have our magical coffee maker back for some action. About a week ago, I introduced you to this magical coffee machine. Here it is. It makes 1 cup at a time, and we are gonna have such a treat today. Here are the 3 little K-cups that are supposed to go in the machine to make tea. We have some coffee and hot chocolate. When you want to pop in those little accessories, the top of the machine opens right up. They fit right inside perfectly. But we're not doing that today. Let's pop these out. Let me show you. Here is the fun part. Instead of putting in these little coffee cups into the machine, what do you guys see? We put in some magical foam putty. We have purple, pink, green, white, orange, and blue. Let me show you what we're gonna do. We are gonna open this up, pop out the little coffee cup, and pop in our magical foam putty. Fits perfectly. We are ready. Our coffee machine is in position. Let's get some surprises. Here is our magical slime foam, and it's called slime foam because it's all these little foam balls mixed with slime. So cool. Take a closer look at it. Here is the orange foam slime. Let's take it out of this little tube. Look at this. It is so squishy. You can kind of mold it, flatten it. Ooh, this better be magical. It kind of feels magical. It's kind of crunchy. How about we pop it back into the container, close the lid, and pop it into the machine. Here we go. Boop. I'm gonna get my fingers, press the magical button, and see what we get. Ooh, I see something. It's definitely not an empty cup anymore. What is it? We got some Shopkins food fare. And for our first surprise of the day, this is a goodie. I love Shopkins, especially the little sweet treat ones and these little candy jars. Hope we get a good one. Let's see. Pop this open. We get our blind bag and the collector's guide. First one up is gonna be, ooh, this is a familiar one. We got the sparkly chalk lava. Oh, I love this one. It's so clear and crystal. Our second little candy jar goodie is, what is it? Oh, little cupcake. We got patty cake. What a cute name. Pink wrapper, white icing, and a little green bow. Boop. Here's our 2 new food fair Shopkins of the day, chalk lava, patty cake. Out of both of these, I have to say I like this one. It's so sparkly. You guys can let me know which one is your fave. Here's the next foam slime magical putty, and it is blue. Ooh, it matches our coffee maker. Let's see, it's kind of hard to take it all out at one time. Comes in little pieces. Ooh, this is even as squishy as the orange one. Enough playing with our crunchy magical putty foam. We gotta stick this in here. Cover it up. Pop it in. And do this. Hey, I don't see anything. I still see an empty cup. Let's open it and take a closer look. Whoa, we got an egg. Whoa, I was expecting a blind bag or a surprise toy, but we got a squishy wishy egg. This is amazing. Alright, little squishy egg, move over. We have some surprise toys to get. Ooh, we're going with the lucky pink. Matches my nail polish. Here it is. Our pink foamy. Woo! more time for playing around with this squishy poo. Let's put it in. Pop the top. Alright, my little coffee maker, do not disappoint. Give us something good. I see something. It's not coffee, it's not eggs. It is a Squinky-Doo. Oh, look at that little puppy with the fuzzy wig. Maybe we'll get him. Alright, so we have our collector's guide, so we know who we got. And our special blind bags. And these are cool. There's 3 different little surprises in here. Here's a close-up of the Squinky-Doo Mystery Villa. It kind of looks like a mushroom. It's got a little mushroom top and a sparkly pink bottom. Ooh, I wish my house looked like that. And surprise time. So over here, what do we have? I feel one. Oh, look at this little Squinky girl. She's so cute. She's got like a reddish brown hair. She's holding flowers. Kind of squishy. In the center, blind bag. Ooh, I think I know what this is. Instead of getting a little hairdo, we got a hat. Look at this hat. She's gonna look so beautiful with that. You can just clip it right onto her hair. So funny. She looks stylish. OMG, cutest hat ever! Hysterical, because that hat is actually bigger than the little girl. And the next one, we get another Squinky. Ooh, it looks like another little girl. She looks like an explorer. She's got a little safari outfit on and little binoculars. Let's test this hat on her. Ooh, she looks like Abraham Lincoln. Here they are, 2 little Squinky-Doos and our hat. The hat is bigger than the little girl's. How funny is that? Let's look at our list here and see what's going on with these Squinkies. So for the doos, we got the Toppy Doo. Little purple top hat with a flower. Oh, from the Gardenia department, we got Fiona Flowers. And the last one up from the Jungle Oasis, we got Sadie Safari. Oh, she is wearing a little safari suit. How about a little purple magic? Here it is in this little jar. Love it. Crunchy. Little purple, here you go. Give us some good luck. Coffee time! I see something blue poking out of there. Let me take my little cup. Whoa! I was waiting for these. We got some Finding Dory stickers and a Dory blind bag. Yeah! And the purple slime foam gave us 2 surprises. This is amazing. So the first one up, we get some Finding Dory stickers. Here they are. Ooh, I've never seen these before. Let's take a closer look. They are so bright. They look like photographs. Here we have Nemo. I think it's Nemo and his daddies. Ooh, I think this one is Destiny. I'm pretty sure. Ooh, such a cute sticker. These are great going back to school. You could stick them on your notebook. Really dazzle them up. Oh, we get these 2 little yellow fishies. Here's another one of Nemo. Ooh, and Nemo and Dory together. This one's probably my favorite. Stickers were nice, but ooh, we get a surprise toy in here. So many different characters. Wonder who it's gonna be. Let me give you a close-up of our Mr. Ray. He's a stingray. He's blue with little white spots. Cute smile. He's a good one. Let's keep this party rolling. Let's go with some of this white foam. It matches the coffee cup. Ooh, it's gonna blend in. Looks like snow. Our crunchy white Flomy is all packaged up, ready to go in the machine. Make us proud. Give us something even better than the last time. Here we go, and I was wondering when this machine was going to give us a little squishy fashion. Finally got it. Says super squishy. Ooh, who are we going to get? Here goes, time to reveal. And we got Penny Ling. Ooh, the paper was stuck to her. We got Squishy Wishy Penny Ling.
Oh, I love this little squishy wishy panda bear. Woo! Squishy and sticky.
Little squishy fashion onto some green foam. Hopefully this will give us something good. Ooh, it looks like gack. Alright, my little green cutie pie, get in there. Work us some magic. Some sort of blind bag for sure. Just what I was hoping for. And you guys, look what we got. Care Bears. Whoa. I was not expecting cute little Care Bears. I love them. These are collectible figures. So many different ones. They have Friend Bear, Grumpy, Hopeful, Wish Bear. Ooh, and there's even a Work of Heart Bear. Let's see. Which one are we going to get? This is such a pretty bag. Ooh, look at this one. We got the pearly pink Cheer Bear. Oh, look at little Cheer Bear. She's got a beautiful rainbow on her belly. She's got a little heart on her bum. She is gorgeous.
Hi guys, nice to see you on this lovely day. I'm so cheery.
Ooh, and our coffee machine is empty. Time to fill it with the magic. Close this and get another surprise. Abracadabra. Doop. Whoa, we got a mega huge bag. What is that? It's so big. It's bigger than our coffee cup. Whoa, look what it is. Oh, I wanted one of these. Secret Life of Pets number 8. And we got Chloe. It's a little Happy Meal toy. I've collected Gidget. I think I have Max. We have Duke. But I never got the little cat Chloe. Actually, the big cat. She is humongous and purple. Oh, here she is. So fluffy fuzzy. Boop.
Fluffy fuzzy.
Chloe is a super huge cat, and I still haven't seen this movie. I'm wondering what her personality is. Is she grumpy? Is she happy? If you guys know, you can leave me a comment. We have a couple more putties left to give us some more surprises. Here is the blue one. This one was really great last time, so hopefully we'll be just as lucky. It's in there. Come on, Blue Putty, make us proud. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This cup is filled. What do we have here? I know, these are so familiar. We got the brand new Shopkins Happy Places. Wow, and the machine magically took it out of its special delivery box. So we get 3 pieces here. First off, we get the home collection guide. So we know what homewares we have. The cool list is here. We get our 3-piece blind bag and a little tile. Let's rip this open, see what we're gonna get. What is this little tiny thing? Woo, I can barely see it. Wow, I've never seen any kind of Shopkins so super tiny before. Look at this. You know, I cannot even guess what it is. It looks like a little kitty cat. We gotta find that one's name out. Before we find out what that is, let's get its other parts. Maybe it'll be a hint. Ooh, this one's bigger. Another tiny one would have been scary. Here we go. Oh, look at this one. This looks like a little cake pan. And our third, ooh, this is a good size. Oh, I get it. I finally think I figured it out. This looks like a cake. How cute. And you can fit it right inside the little cake pan. Boop. And this is a single slice of cake. fits in perfect, just like a puzzle. This is the cutest surprise today. From the kitty kitchen, let me introduce you to cake tin, cake, and little baby cake slice. Oh, saddest part of the show for me, we are on to our final surprise. Let's get, which foam should we get? How about the pink? We had good luck with that one. And let's pop it in for one last spin in the magical coffee machine. Alrighty everybody, say abracadabra, help me here. Last time I'm pressing this orange button. Whoop, it's finished brewing. What do we have here? Oh, we got a little pink and blue giftum. Ooh, we got two and an MLP emoji. So exciting! We got two really good ones in our last try. We got a giftum. I love these. They're little dollies from different countries all over the world. And we got a MyMoji MLP. These are also so cute. Let's open it and see. And I never got this one. We got Twilight Sparkle. Look at her little cheek sparkling with the cutie mark. She is so cute. Look at this little highlight in her hair. She looks super duper happy with that big smile. She is smiling away.
I'm super duper happy. Look at my teeth.
Time to open our little surprise gift here. Oh, look at this precious pink bow. Wonder what doll we're gonna get and from which countries. So many different countries. Whoop. Here we go. Let's pop the top. Ooh, look at this one. She looks like a little hula girl. Ooh, let's take her out of this wrapper and get a closer look. Come on, little dolly. Woo! Don't worry, your hair pops right back on. Sorry, little hula girl. And your body spins around. Let's find out your name. This little girl is beautiful. She's got long brown hair, a blue bikini top, and it looks like she's got a green skirt and green shoes. What country is she from? We will find out. And I found her. Her name is Luna Rio from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. How funny is that? That's where the Olympics is right now. She is beautiful. And if we open up her little gift, there we go. We can see we have a scene of the beach right here showing a mountain. We have a map of Brazil and a beautiful beach scene. That's why she's wearing a bathing suit. And at the top of this little block, it says Brazil, Rio de Janeiro, Luna Rio. Oh, such a pretty name, Luna. Let's pop her in. Close it up. Love it. Here it is, everybody, the end of our video. So much fun with this magical coffee maker, so many cool surprises, and we are going to have so many more fun videos coming up on the show. This is BubblePOP Kids. You can click this big red subscribe button here and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.